the wife's here. They all reckon I must be such a placid guy to live with. No, don't look at me like that.
I'm not saying a word.
No, you're not, but you're going to bet you do when you come in there. Well, you come and say how happy you were that you made the really clever decision of marrying me all those years ago. Come on, hurry, because I'm all excited. Because they don't believe it. Ray said, "G'day, Sir Steve. Do you go with natural curves or the veneer working with materials, natural tendencies rather than fighting it?" Yes! And that leads me nicely, Deb, into that's why I've been married for 41 years, because I just work with the natural. I don't fight it. I just go with the natural flow of, excuse me, natural flow. They reckon that possibly you're the tolerant one.
I think possibly I am.
Yeah, well, I'd be disappointed if you had any other opinion. So there you go.
No, I'm very much the tolerant one.
Pre-brain op.
Yeah, now I'm just a
she
not
came.
understanding of most things.
She a different girl after that one. But she's still mine. She's mine first. What?
All right, I had my elbow there and against you.
Did you stab yourself? You're blunting my knife. Come down.
Your sense of humour.
Oh no, I was a bit sharp. Hey, I had a look at our wedding photo this morning. I was a hunk.
Thank you, Brian.
I still am. No, I was. I had a six-pack. Now I've got a beer keg. I was a fit little fellow, wasn't I?
You were.
Little moustache,
Yeah.
bow tie,
Yeah.
dazed expression on my face like a glazed donut. Oh dear, oh dear. What have we started? It started too long ago. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to saddle this back.
All right.
But, all right. Shall we give him?
Things to do as well.
Shall we? Oh, what? You got to go back to bed.
No.
I was telling him how hard I worked putting that path down. Go on, tell him how hard I worked putting the path down.
Yes, he worked very hard putting the path down because I thought I was going to spit the dummy if he didn't.
Yeah, and she's work this out. You guys, and ladies, I'm sorry, you're just going to switch off on this one. But guys, right? You're working. And,
DJ Craft said, "Did you have hair there?"
yeah, but it was fairly short. I was in the army. But it was darker. I didn't have a beard. But listen, you got a wife, a lovely wife, 41 years of bliss, happiness, and tranquil existence.
And I've never given him a worry in his life.
No, yeah, good. You want them alphabetically or numerically? Anyway, she's going, "Why don't you take a rest? You're working too hard. You're going to die. If you die of exhaustion, I'm not coming to your funeral." Right? Now, that's one half of the equation. Is that not true? That's true. While she's doing that, she's bringing up piles of flipping pavers to me to put down. What's the bloke meant to do? Take the first advice, go, "That's it, I'm going to knock off." Well, she's bringing all these other pavers going, "I'm better than you. I'll outlast you." We got it done, though. We did. We didn't have a crossword either. I was too exhausted. We did go in there to sleep.
Such a Wally.
Yeah, where's Wally? You leave Wally out of it. No, Wally'd be dead by now, wouldn't he? We had a gardener called Wally. He was a great old bloke, wasn't he? All right. How many years have you been waiting for the party? Not even a month.
Actually, the thing went down on Saturday morning. Our son and him
And grandsons.
and grandsons had it finished by last night. So 2 days.
And I wasn't going to do any of it. I was not interested. But bless their hearts, they had a go, didn't they, when I was away. And they laid about a third of it, but it wasn't laid properly. So I had to pick it up and scream. But anyway, it's done. Happy wife. See?
Yes.
Look. Take note. She's always like that. Did you enjoy that movie too, didn't you?
I did.
Up.
It's called
Up.
Very good.
What
Kids movie, but Up.
What's Buffett eating?
Oh, who knows?
He's got something there. I bet it's expensive. What is it?
Piece of wood.
Yeah, I know, but what do you got there, Robert?
It's like a frame.
You mongrel dog! You're a pig!
That's your ebony one?
That's off me ebony box. I'm making an ebony box over there. Look at the mongrel's gone and done. Right? Excuse me, don't worry about it. We'll just take a bit of the edging off and we'll get in there and have a bit of a chomp. He's a mongrel. Susie said bye. Hey, you going to make some lemonade scones?